Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, one known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, we're gonna go ahead and go along and plant all the plants I got from the Dewar Nursery. This nursery is an amazing nursery. They gave me an entire tutorial on the production and a step-by-step on how everything started. And with that, they were able to give me a few plants to try on my own garden. And so I was able to plant them all today, and I'm super thrilled on how everything came out. And so I'm of course gonna film the process when everything is planted and show you guys. So here's a little small clips on how everything was planted. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Comment down below which one was your favorite plant in the garden that I planted so far. I'm super thrilled to have all of these plants in the garden because I've never seen plants like this in Florida, and I'm able to have the ability to have them in my garden. So I'm super thrilled. So once again, a huge shout out to the Dewar Nursery for partnering with us on this video. Their links are down below for you guys to check out. And so yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.